it's Hannah with WTI. It is the end of the day and this is my time. I sit in my recliner, I do my work, and I watch my show, and I like to have a snack. This popcorn by International Popcorn is delicious and beautiful. I like to pop the popcorn in an air popper because it makes it fat-free and it is just a really healthy, munchy snack. It pops really well. I didn't have a bunch of kernels left over, and I think it is so pretty. So because the different colors of the kernels, the popcorn is kind of like a white and off-white mixed, but the kernels in themselves look like little gems. They are so beautiful. The bag is a 7-pound bag, so it's going to last a while, and it has a resealable top. If you don't have an air popper though, it can be popped the traditional way in a pan with oil in the bottom. And either way, it is so delicious. And listening to this beautiful sound of popping popcorn. I've been really pleased with the quality of this popcorn and how good it tastes. I feel like there is extra corn flavor to this stuff. Some popcorn is kind of bland. This, I feel like, actually has flavor to it. So if you are looking for some delicious popcorn to pop at home, this is awesome. And beautiful. But that's just my point of view.